What's up, everybody? My name is Will, and welcome back to another episode of Will on a Whim.
Let me tell you something.
So, like a few videos ago, I said that I wanted my beard to grow out.
Why would she do that?
I don't know.
Not like this, though. Oh my gosh, she's connecting to my eyebrows.
Let me talk to you.
Ugh, anyway, today's video is an idea that I had tucked way back in the old memories. I'm talking back, okay? Back in there with like y equals mx plus b and whatever 12 times 9 is.
73.
Hair tools. Things that I've purchased here and there that have ended up saving me a whole bunch of time and frustration when it comes to taking care of my hair. So we're really about to get into this like a car at 6 a.m. to go to Target across the city because we can't find toilet paper anywhere because people don't know how to save some for others.
Jeez! Jesus Christ.
But first, which is incidentally how I like to get into pants in the morning. Let us go ahead and thank our sponsor for today's video. Hey everybody, just popping in to let you all know about today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is Nature's Protein. I used a few of the products on a curl former set. You can check that out up here, somewhere up there. I used the leave-in conditioner, the curl mousse, the shampoo, the conditioner, and a few other products that are kind of a surprise, I guess, in the video. All of the products at the top, you'll see that they're free from sulfates, parabens, artificial dyes, free from petroleum, and mineral oil. Ooh, girl, and they smell just like a coconut tart. And what's also sweet is that you can find them at your local beauty supply. If they're not there, just ask one of the store attendants to stock the products. But also, a lot of us ain't going out right now. Like, I advise you to stay home. You can just shop for the products online at houseofbeautyworld.com. There are 12 whole products in this line, and every single product is $7.95 flat. Shout out once again to Nature's Protein and the Coconut Restore line. Let's get back into the video. All right, so let's get into this, my favorite and most useful hair tools. I'm just gonna get through the obvious ones first because you've probably seen these babies on my channel before. Not real babies. Coming in at a whopping 1/15 of a pound, we have a scalp massager. This is not the one that's all stagnant, the one that doesn't vibrate. I got this one from Vanity Planet, and I know a lot of people talk about it, and so it like kind of cheapens its value, but I've been rocking with this since college. You can use this in the shower when you shampoo because it is waterproof. It'll help sort of like drive the cleaning process specifically with your scalp. I like it, it feels good. The rubbery tips are like pretty dull and like flexible, so it doesn't hurt. I ain't gonna name no names specifically because most of them don't have names, but I've used some shampoo brushes in the past, and it's like, is that Freddy Krueger on my scalp? Outside of the shower, what I like to do is just pop some oils, especially if it's like peppermint based. Like I love me a good old like feeling. Take some oil, plop it in your scalp, and then set the vibrating speed to like either the first one or the second one, and just let that baby ride. Again, not a real baby.
You're not my dad! You also want to hear something!
It feels good, yes, but there's also a few studies that show it increases hair thickness over time by sort of like waking up sleeping hair follicles.
Y'all gonna make me lose my mind, y'all! Start all y'all! Get up! Get the up!
Under almost every single video, I put a 50% off code to get this, so go ahead and check that out if you're looking like Kyle Yu and his cousin Tommy Pickles. Next, we have this fogless mirror. I really don't know how I was getting by in the shower without a mirror, but about a year ago, I blacked out and I logged on to Amazon Prime. A week later, I ended up with a hula hoop, this mirror, and 10-inch stilettos. The mirror is meant to be used in the shower, so it comes with this little hook that sticks onto any sort of like ceramic or tiled surface, but it's also renter friendly, so there's like a little thing that you pull and it like easily comes off. And like I said, it is a fogless mirror, so no need to put on your beamers, ma. All you have to do is take the mirror and run it under some warm water for a few seconds, and then it'll sort of like equilibrate with the temperature. And for the duration of your wash day, it's just fogless. I don't know, it's magic. It gives me a little bit more control when I'm washing my hair. Like I know that all my hair strands are coated with that deep conditioner, or I know my scalp is being like penetrated by the shampoo.
Why?
Because I can see it, duh. So yeah, the mirror is pretty great. It also helps me lip sync to Megan Thee Stallion. Next product, a shower filter.
Oh Lord, again.
Yes, again. I'm gonna keep talking about this because y'all are not listening. Your hair is crunchy, mama. And you're in denial that it's your water. You're blaming it on your products, this and that, but truly it's hard water. So hard water is when calcium and other minerals are just like in high concentrations in your water. It's a pretty common thing, and you can tell if you have it if you look underneath your faucet and there's just a bunch of white crust all over it.
You nasty.
Calcium do be up in your water, and it do be crusting up your faucets. And that same crust do be crusting up your hair and your skin. Like if you don't do it for your hair, do it for your skin. Get a shower filter. I'll link the one that I used down below. It was like 30 bucks. It was easy to install. But baby, when I tell you it was like night and day, after the first week of using it, my hair just went back to normal. It also has a detachable shower head, so if you don't have hard water, this is also still something you should get. Now this shower head do be hanging and it do be swinging, but it gives you a whole bunch more precision when it comes to rinsing stuff out of your hair. Cause I know I'm not the only one who's gotten out of the shower, parted that thing up, and saw that there was deep conditioner staring right back at me. I'll link mine down below. Next product. So here we have this little product cart. This is not conventional. This is not something somebody would call a hair tool. I found this 3-tier shower caddy situation at Target. Girl, it wasn't even in a box. It was really up there on the shelf, no assembly required or nothing. Before I found this, I was a sad, sad boy. Searching in my closet every wash day just to find the same 3 products that I use every single week. So now I have this easily accessible cart that has everything that I use most often or I've used for the longest. I have my clippers at the bottom from that time I was auditioning for Barbershop 4. And on the other 2 tiers, I have products that generally just give me guaranteed results. It's giving me very much grab and go, Your Honor. The cart is a perfect size. It fits right next to my bathroom sink where I use it the most, and it's also on wheels, so girl, we taking this hair care mobile. If you're trying to organize and mobilize, get yourself a cart. I'll link it down below. Next, we have something major. This rat tail comb and this hand mirror. Name a better duo. I'll wait. Jay-Z and Beyonce. Okay, maybe I won't wait. Parting the back of my head used to make me cry. Like tears, y'all, like not even playing. But with a handy dandy hand mirror and this rat tail comb, it's like super easy. So what I typically do is I'll go into my bathroom, so there's a mirror behind me. I'll take this and I'll use the reflection to see the back of my head. I'll take my 2 fingers, my thumb, and usually my pointer finger or my middle finger because my middle finger is the longest. Is that weird? Whatever. I'll take my thumb and I'll put it where I want my part to start. And while I keep my thumb right there, I'll take my pointer finger or my middle finger and I'll put that where I want the part to end. So just to be clear, I'll take my thumb, put it somewhere on my head, and I'll take my middle finger or my pointer finger and I'll put it somewhere else on my head. Then I can put my mirror down and I'll take the pointy end of the rat tail comb, use my spidey senses, and I'll just... Boom, right? That's it. It's very easy. It has revolutionized the way that I part the back of my head. So go ahead and get you 2 of these babies, put them together in holy matrimony, and be on your way. Next up to the floor, we have one of my faves. It's this portable golden like vanity mirror. It doesn't have to be gold, but I do think it's a nice little touch or whatever. I found it on clearance at Target. This little shorty has been everywhere in my apartment. When I'm trying to do a wash and go or a style or whatever, and I don't want to be in my bathroom, I'll just take this as my portable mirror. You can angle it whichever way. So sometimes when I'm standing up, I need to angle it a little bit higher versus when I'm sitting down. It really adapts to whatever situation I'm in, because sometimes I just want to have comfy time in my bed while I do my hair. Sometimes you do a vibe check in the bathroom and it's just not passing the test. So this one just brings a little bit more mobility to my hair care. Now the last 2 things I'm not going to spend too much time on, but I do have this satin lined cap and it's from, I never remember, I think it's like Unorthodox Roots.
I don't remember.
Or Undisturbed Roots or Unrestored Roots, something, girl, I don't know. But as you can see, it's a satin lined cap. This one fits on pretty easily and pretty quickly, so if I had to hop in the shower, I don't really wear this to bed because it does fall off. We all know satin to be a very friendly material with your hair strands, and it doesn't like dry out your hair as cotton would. So this is pretty great. I'll pop that on whenever. And last but not least, we have my diffuser. So a diffuser is this little attachment. You'll see it come in different colors, different sizes, even different shapes. But what it does is it takes the air from your blow dryer and it diffuses it through all of these little holes. When I gotta go, I gotta go. I don't have time for my hair to air dry. I'll just put this on maybe like low heat and I'll turn this on for about 15 minutes and I'll just stick it in my hair. Obviously you put it on there, but I'll stick it in my hair just like this.
And wait a long periodically time.
And the great thing about a diffuser is that it doesn't like blow your hair around, disturbing your curl pattern. So you can just put it like this and your hair will stay perfectly still, but it'll still dry your hair. Easy peasy. So that's it, y'all. That's all of the hair tools that I've been finding very useful in saving me time. And like I said at the beginning of this video, frustration. Hopefully y'all got some good ideas from this. I really tried to pick out all the things that I truly do use. So I'm gonna go ahead and link every single thing down below. Shout out once again to our sponsors for today's video, which was Nature's Proteins Coconut Restore line. If you wanna see those products in action, definitely check out that video. I'll link it down below. But that brings us to the end of another episode of Will on a Whim. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. It helps a lot. And if you wanna stick around and be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, and my second YouTube channel, Will on a Whim More. Hope to see you all back here real soon for another episode of Will on a Whim, but until then, bye!